Question 1. What is the synonym of doctor? Correct answer is physician. Double tap the screen if you found the correct answer. Question 2. What is the synonym of police? Correct answer is cop. Question 3. What is the synonym of teacher? Correct answer is educator. Question 4. What is the synonym of child? Correct answer is kid. Question 5. What is the synonym of lawyer? Correct answer is attorney. Question 6. What is the synonym of movie? Drop your answer in the comments and follow for more quizzes.